So let's make a network. So we start with the basics, a bit of flour. Yeah, we start with a 4 gig of RAM PC, Windows Home. They should do the job. We put in maybe a free copy of antivirus. Oops. Oh well, we'll have to just scoop it off the bench later. Oh, whoops. Yep, we got ourselves some free antivirus. We get ourselves a bit of Windows Home there. We get ourselves the friend from across the street to come and help us put it all together. And we get the best of servers and maybe the little bit, I don't know, best of internet, maybe. We can get away with using a free copy of Office, can't we? Yeah, a bit of that. And my wireless, I'll just go down anywhere and just get some wireless and go to any old retail store and get whatever they've got on display. A small laptop with maybe 256 gigabytes SSD in it will be fine. We'll add a bit of that. And we just hope that our staff can get away with 4 gig of RAM with whatever they're doing. They don't need anything fast, do they? Right, we end up with a bit of a cake there. And yeah, it's a bit of a sticky mess. Actually, a bit of eggshell in there and all sorts. But the staff can get away with it, it'll be fine. I'll just do it myself. I don't need an expert to help me put together a network. Do you really want your network to be sticky, squishy and horrible? Or do you want it to be smooth running? Do you want it to perform? Do you want your staff to be happy? Do you want things to go the way you intend? Well, maybe instead of rushing out and just throwing a network together and grabbing talent from neighbours, friends, whatever, maybe you should plan your network, plan your growth, plan where you're headed, plan how big you are, how big you're going to grow, how many computers you need, what software you need, what resources the staff need. Maybe there should be some thought behind it. It's easy to run out and just buy off-the-shelf bits. Might work, might not work. Staff might be happy, might not be happy. How about, like I said, let's plan it. So give us a call here at BTP. We can help you plan your network or your next network if you've already got one that's not quite up there, and make it smooth for you and make it function for you so that when you come to work, you get your job done and it helps you make money, not cost you money. Give BTP a call or email us at helpdesk@btponline.com.au. Thank you.